Hi there, welcome. It's yucca time. Oh, isn't this beautiful? This one just really caught my eye. I think I'll end up painting this one because it's just beautiful. Hi, welcome. I'm just hopping out here just for a few minutes just to share this with you. Hi, because it's just beautiful. This is the last one in this group of yucca plants that's blooming. The others have like fully bloomed that I've been sharing out here. I'll show you the one that I was sharing the other day. This is the first one that bloomed. You can see how that one is now starting that process of decay and going to the next phase of life. Here's the others. We've got some right here that are very tall and beautiful. One over there. And then there's this one here. Just sharing them with you. But I have to come back around to the one that is just really got my attention right here. This one right here. It's beautiful. I love it. Just sharing. Life keeps evolving. Life keeps evolving. So do you. Yeah. Allow the process of life to continue without resistance. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is Valerieann, and I'm just saying hi and sharing some flowers with you. Have an awesome day, and I will catch you again later. Until next time, keep your feet on the ground, reach for the stars, and live from your heart. See ya. Thanks. Bye-bye.